we find out? Why was the key there?
Because she hid it.
Why do you think she hid it?
Because when her mom lost her key, she could go get her key.
So you think she kind of thought about that before, that it could happen, didn't she? And she was ready. All right. Let's think about what you're going to write about. Let's see what you wrote earlier today. Let's see. There it is. You want to read that for me?
Gertie Cat got...
Now look at that word.
Oh, Gertie Cat gobbled all of the food and the shopping bag.
Very good. Okay. Think about your story today, Locked Out. And if someone hadn't read that story, what could you tell them it was about? What happened in it?
The mom and the girl got locked out, and the girl had a key in the shed.
Boy, I don't know if that's maybe too long. Let's see. The mom and the girl
had
got
a
What was the problem? What happened?
got locked
Okay,
out,
the mom and the girl got locked out.
and the girl had a extra key.
Okay, let's see. The mom and the girl
got
got
locked out, and the girl had a spare key.
And the girl had a spare key. Now let me check it, make sure I'm right, okay? The mom and the girl got locked out, and the girl had a spare key. Is that right? Okay, I want you to do as much of the work as you can, and if you need to go up here, we'll work on it up there, okay? Yeah, read it to me as you're writing it.
Mom. Oh.
Oops, you caught yourself though. Okay.
Mom and girl
Let's see. You're right. Actually, I forgot I'm not room to squeeze it in. There's an I in there that you don't hear, but I got to put in there to make it look right. You go ahead and put your RL back, okay? And then reread your story.
the mom and the girl were
You said got locked out.
got locked.
You want to do locked up here? Okay, let's try it.
Oh.
Now there's a chunk there that says K.
CK.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
What's that chunk at the end that you add? Locked. Locked.
ED.
Mm-hmm. Very good. Okay.
Out.
Okay, read it.
The mom and the girl got locked out, and the G.
Yeah, can you make that look more like an L? Kind of looks like an I. Okay, read it to me now.
The mom and the girl got locked out, and the girl had Spare.
Let's do spare up here. Let's try it in here. Spare.
S-P-A-R-E.
Very good. You don't hear it, but you have to put it there to make it look right, don't you?
Because A says its name.
That's right. So you need that A. That E, I mean. Okay, read it.
Period.
No, wait a minute. Read it and see.
The mom and the girl got locked out, and the girl had a spare key.
Mm-hmm.
I got it right.
You think you can do that? Okay.
There.
Wow, I didn't know you know how to write key. Very good. Okay, read it for me.
The mom and the girl got locked out, and the girl had a spare key.
Okay. Very good. All right, let me have your marker. Okay, read it to me as I cut it apart. Are you ready?
The mom and the girl got locked
What chunk at the end of locked can sound like duh or ta? Got locked.
out, and the girl had a spare key.
Okay, bud. Let's see you put it back together. Read it to me as you're doing it, okay?
The mom and the girl got locked out, and the girl had a spare key.
Wow. You think you're right?
Mhm.
Check it and see.
The mom and the girl got had.
No, you're right.
The mom and the girl got locked out, and the girl had a spare key.
Very good. You got all those parts back. That was kind of easy for you, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, push me here.